This is a 24 karat gold mist, which is the third ingredient that I would like to use for a non-surgical facelift. And the 24 karat gold mist, some of the ingredients in there are very hydrating to really give you that beautiful finish and hydrating the skin. So I use it all the time, and even I suggest I like to use it now. So it's so good for you. It just moisten your skin when you're dehydrated, and it's got the hyaluronic acid. And our hyaluronic acid are not made with animals. This is a vegan product. And also the saffron. I find the saffron is very, very good. It's the same price as gold. And with the 24 karat gold, ladies, you're going to get the results that you want with this. It tightens the pores. It regenerates the skin, and also it gives you that lovely glow that you would really love to have in your pocket whenever your skin needs to hydrate once you use the 24 karat gold pack.